Okay. Got a package here from PickMe 1977. So let's see. Let's go. Let's see what we got in here. That tape is strong stuff. And they're still working on the roof, what you probably hear, in case you hear more banging. There we go. Okay, got a little note. Let's see what we got. Oh, Sargent. Now that's a beautiful Sargent. Old Sargent. That key, they don't make them like that anymore. There's the bidding. Pretty good bidding. I love Sargents. I know somebody else that loves Sargents. This is a nice one. Old one. I'm not really a lot collector. I may keep some that are unique and stuff, but I believe I'll probably hang on to that one. What is this one? Looks like a sled. Oh, it's an American. I have never picked a American mortise. I picked many American padlocks, but not a mortise. Cool. I've always wanted to pick one. Slag. Oh, now there's a funny story about this. I got Jeff Moss to send me one so I could put my kicks in it and vice it up, make it easy. Now I got two. Cool. You can never have too many, in my opinion. That's pretty cool. Let's see what we got. Yale. I don't think they even make these type of keys anymore for Yale. I'm not big on not real big on locks, you know, history and whatnot. But I don't think they make these like this anymore. So that's probably pretty old too. That's pretty cool. Rush one, and that's an old one too. I'm pretty sure this is an old rush one as well. I like rush ones too. What is this one? Kessler? I don't think, me personally, I don't think I've ever heard of Kessler. But that looks old as well. Key says Kessler on it. Now that's some bidding, or not bidding, sorry. Look at that keyway. Lightning bolt. That's what I call it. Lightning bolt. Zigzag. Now that is... I've never seen a mortise zigzag like that. Now that's cool too. Oh man, an Avis shutter. 8263. Now, this is weird because I have been looking at these on eBay for a while, and every time I start to buy one, I'd always talk myself out of it. I have been wanting to pick one of these shutter locks for ever since I started picking, but I always talk myself out of buying one. Now that's just weird. Spooky in a way as well. And he sent this to me as a gift. Haven't seen you pick that model or any shutter locks for that matter. Hope you enjoy it. I will enjoy this. Like I said, I have been wanting to pick a shutter lock, especially an Avis. I greatly appreciate that. That is just cool as shit. Okay. I don't do this very often, but I believe I will on this one. Since I like Sargents pretty well, let's pick this old Sargent. I don't pick too many straight out of the box, but I think I will do this one, or we'll give it a shot. Now the lock is smooth. He says it sticks a little bit, but not having a problem with it. Not really a problem. So, alright. Here's the bitting again on it. I love that old key. Love the old key. Okay, let's see if I can do top. I think I can. That should work. Let's do 15 thousandths here. It is a little sloppy in there, so I wonder if there may be a T-pin or a spool. Alright, I believe I got a little turn on 5, 4. Getting a little counter rotation on 1. I believe I got it set. Let's go back. That's 3, getting some counter. If I can get it set here. And there it is. Cool. Cool. Cool deal, cool deal. Let's see what PickMe 1977 is put in this Sargent. These out of the way a little bit. You should get the locks that I sent you soon. Probably tomorrow, I would imagine. Of course, I didn't have no old locks to send you, but I think I sent you a variety. I sent you a little extra, get you started. I remember when I first started picking. course, can't really say nothing. Still kind of that way. More locks, the better. Okay. There it goes. Let's see. Get my follower here. Six pin. 6 pin and pinned up for 5. I thought it was a 5 pinner, but it can hold 6. Cool. Okay, let's see what we got. Looks like a serrated on top. That one's, I have to look at that one a little closer. Have to look at that and a little closer too. Looks like counter milling on all 6. Let me get the tweezers here real quick. Now that serrated. Oh, that's a nice pin. Where's that other one? That one's got 1 serration in it. That one's got 1 serration in it as well. And this one is a spool key pin. It's got a little spool on it, it looks like. Or it's serrated. And it's just smaller there at the top. It's pretty nice pins. Let's see what's in this. I can probably guess a couple of spools. Spool. Okay, 2. Okay, 2 looks like it's caught in the Bible. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, there it is. Looks like a standard. Not sure why that got hung up in there, because I didn't feel any threads in it, so I don't think the Bible's been threaded. Which, when I pushed on it, it moved. So I think I got it all. Yeah, there's a spring out of 2. There's that. Okay. Here is this beautiful Sargent. I'll stick it back in there. This beautiful Sargent from PickMe 1977. Most of the pins are serrated or have a serration in it somewhere. This one is a spool, standard, spool, serrated, and another spool. And again, PickMe 1977. I greatly appreciate the locks. I will definitely get started on picking the others. I love these old locks. And the shutter, that just freaks me out. Alright, as always, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks again, PickMe. Have a good one, guys. Thanks.